Oi, Fission. I just wanted to give you a demo of Launchlet, just to present the app because I don't think I've ever talked about it in here, and I'm going to do it with the Fission integration that I just got working very recently. So I'm going to try and go through pretty quickly. Hopefully everything makes sense, but always you can ask questions on the forum and stuff. So this is a user script slash user style manager that syncs with a browser extension. Um, oh, sorry, do that later. Okay, so we're going to start by signing in with the Fission account. So we're going to use this address style uh, uh, email style address thing, which is like your username at fission.codes. I guess when Fission is federated, that'll make more sense. So authorize from the lobby and go back to the app. And it should show something that I've already created to yeah, okay, so there's a document that I had already created from a previous session or on another device, and I'm going to create another one right now, and let's just do an example of like a JavaScript recipe. So we're going to call it Bravo, and we're going to say window alert hello, and then you can hit this run button, and it basically takes all of the recipes that are in your list and it makes them accessible in this launcher thing here. I'm pointing with my hands, which you can't see on the screen. So it's for example, alpha is here and Bravo is also here. You just type to search. Bravo is not here. How strange. Okay, yeah, I think my computer is just a bit slow for some reason. Okay, so I'm going to run Bravo and window alerts hello. So that's pretty straightforward. So what you can do now is you can actually take this run button, which is a bunch of JavaScript, and it's a bookmarklet. You can drag it into your bookmarks bar and run it. But it seems to not work in this browser, so I'm just going to skip that part. And I'll just show you the extension, because that's something I don't think I've really showed that anywhere. And it's pretty cool just to see that working. So we're going to start here in the extension pop-up and generate a key. The web app and the extension communicate via the very standard post message protocol, so it's not really like safe. So we have to encrypt all of the JavaScript that we're sending over to the extension, and then it gets decrypted in the extension sandbox. So we got that key from there generated by the extension. We're going to copy that key and give it to the web app, and now they can communicate with each other, and they are communicating with each other as they make changes. So let's make another one, and we're going to call this Charlie, and let's do CSS on this one. So everything is going to have a background of red, and it's already synced basically. You don't have to do anything. It's sort of when you stop typing it syncs. So I'm going to go to a website, and oh, this is weird. Yeah, I don't know why this keeps happening on this site. Let's try another site. Okay, so here's another site, and I can, there's a default shortcut for the extension, which is like Alt-Shift-1. You can customize this in the extension preferences, but I'm just going to use that for now. So you call it up, and now you're on some other website, but your launcher is running with your whole collection of recipes. So Alpha is here, Bravo is here, and Charlie is here. And so I'm going to run Charlie on this page, which should have put a background red on everything. And it does. It even does that on my video somehow. Don't know why. And so let's also do this automatically. So for example, I only want to do this on google.com, and I'm going to run that automatically. So now, if I run google.com, oh no, it's not going to work because I didn't say run automatically here. So the extension, you have to say automatic recipes so that every time you're on a page, it'll just run all of the ones that are automatic. So now the next time I just go to Google, it will just apply the whatever recipes you've selected for that. So I think that's pretty cool. There's no, fairly seamless. You don't have to say anything. And the great thing about Fission specifically, everything is encrypted from the start. So like with remote storage, your stuff can go to the server and like another app can write to it. So it can be like really, really super dangerous. I mean, this whole concept is actually super dangerous. Like, but I just do it because it's fun. But it can be like a real risk to have like automatic JavaScript running on every page, right? So with Fission, when you know that everything's integrated, everything is encrypted, it's a bit like you have a bit more peace of mind. But it's still very dangerous, so be careful. And nonetheless, I hope this is something cool for the Fission community, and I hope you all will try it out and let me know if you encounter any bugs or anything strange, and let's chat about it. Ciao.